Hello, and welcome back to another installment of What's in the Box, your favorite uranium glass unboxing series, with me, Paul, your favorite insane Vaseline glass collector. That's right, I'm taking you on a wild ride into my personal collection, showing you what comes in, maybe not what goes out, but what comes in, and it's some pretty cool stuff. Today, I've got two boxes to go through, and I'm very excited to see what's in the box. So without further ado, let's get started.
What's in the box?
Let's see what boxes we've got today. 1, 2. These are the two boxes we got today. Okay, first box. First box. Oh, wow. Lots of stuff. All right. This is Tiffin Brilliancy. It is a stippled patterned glass that was only made in the 1920s, and it has a very limited production line. So never reproduced. These are all original. And then this is the basket. So they took a caned piece and then bent it and then adhered it to what is the vase, and I have in two other sizes as well, to make this basket design. So it's pretty big and it's pretty nice, but you can see that with this handle, I wasn't really trusting how this seller shipped, but they did a pretty good job. Anyway, Brilliancy. Big box. Factor. Speaking of patterns that people want, this one is definitely one. I'll tell you right now, if you don't know what it is and you don't put the right stuff in the auction, you're not going to find your buyer as easily. Like I said, if you don't know what something is, and you just list it as Vaseline glass, chances are you're not going to get the market value. From one of my favorite makers, Adams and Company. And this is Valencia Waffle. This is a pattern that I've been slowly trying to start collecting, and this is a really fabulous compote because of this, like, not scallop but ridged edge, and yeah, really a nice big beautiful piece in fantastic shape. Oof, that's quite the chip. 2 chips, but that's okay. So yeah, this guy listed it as just Vaseline glass compote. Didn't know that it was over 130 years old. Didn't know the name of the pattern. Didn't say any of that information, and then it went free. Ran it for $100 as an auction, and no one bought it. And after the auction, I messaged him and I said I'd give you $80, and he said sure thing. So now it's mine. This is the 3rd or 4th piece of Valencia Waffle that I've got. I've been lusting hardcore after the covered compote for a long time, and I will get it. But yeah, this is a early American pattern glass piece, Adams and Company, late 1800s. Really just gorgeous geometric work. Really cool pattern work. And yeah, definitely this is going to be a little prize in my collection now. Here's today's haul. What do you think? I really love this. Really, really nice piece. So let's get them under the black light and watch them glow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content we have for you in today's episode. Let me know if you liked either of these pieces, or show me whatever piece you just got in the mail. I'm happy to hear about it. We'll be back again soon with another episode of What's in the Box. But until next time, happy hunting.